I'm off on a ride out. Are you coming? Why not? Let's go. How you doing? You good? Long time, man.
Yeah,
Oh, you ain't seen it? Yeah. I ain't seen you since I had it done, right?
Yeah, but I saw your videos and
Of course.
looked alright.
Yeah. Well, happy with it. I just need to get it tuned still though. We're on a quick sprint for a coffee. I'm with a guy on an RSV4 in pearl white versus 1000 in black. Me on my S1000R. The sun is shining. The weather is fine. Life is good. RSV4 sounds so good. Oh, it looks damn good too. Love it in the white. There with the RSV, like I had a wobble. You know, every time I ride this bike, I fall a little bit more in love with it every single time. So capable. I'm not riding the most optimal, quickest line for a corner or a bend or whatever. Conscious of those stone chips, mate. Get people commenting saying, oh, you're going too wide, or what sort of racing line's that? Well, now you know. It's hard to explain how it is. You know, to explain how enjoyable, fun, exciting, entertaining, out of this world, unbelievable, extraordinary, okay, soul fulfilling riding a motorbike is. It's pure and utter freedom. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. You know, I feel like just riding all day. I'm in that kind of mood. The bike's making me feel this way. I've got 121 miles on the range still. It's being very fuel efficient, just the nature of the riding we are doing today, and I'm just super comfortable. The weather's literally pretty much damn perfect, and I'm in no hurry to get anywhere, do you know what I'm saying? And the bike just is an absolute view. It's a peach, mate. It just does everything so nice. It's just pure German, really. It just does everything as you'd expect it to do. Windy around here, mate, and there's a fat rock there in the road. Sit off the rear tyre of that RSV4 to avoid stone chips. Not always possible, but I'll try my best. That front wheel's lively, mate. I have got some wheelie control actually, so let's try and get it. There we go, stick it in 6th, there we go. 22 mile an hour in 6th gear. Yeah? 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 Go on, tell me the bike can't do it. Look, tell me the bike can't ride around in 6th gear at this speed. The amount of people that are like, why are you riding around in 6th gear at 30 mile an hour? Because I can. Silver bald calf.
Good rider. Really good rider.
Is he that slow? Yeah. I won't put this on.
You'll have to cut it out. You'll have to cut it out. We're busy rinsing him. Yeah, just edit that bit.
Yeah, James is a good mate, but he can't ride, can he?
Another 500 left.
Right, gonna leave the motovlog here, guys. Hope you enjoyed it as usual. If you did, let me know with a thumbs up. I love you very much. Appreciate you all for watching, and I hope to see you on another one very soon. See you later.